and practice yourself in front of mirror or talk to yourself. Okay, আপনি আপনার সাথে কথা বলুন, কিছু ওয়ার্ড সিলেক্ট করুন, সেই ওয়ার্ডগুলো আপনার খাতায় লিখে রাখুন, আপনার ডায়েরিতে লিখে রাখুন, সেগুলো প্রতিদিন আপনি ইউজ করুন আপনার নিজের সাথে ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ ক্যামেরা অথবা ইন ফ্রন্ট অফ মিরর। সেকেন্ড, আপনি কি করতে পারেন, talk about different situation when you are actually in front of mirror or in front of camera. There is no one in your house, so what can you actually do? You have opportunity to speak in when talk with different situation. What situation is going on, or what you actually learn, or what you actually gather today in today's situation. So talk to yourself in different situation when you're alone. So it can be, or it could be in front of mirror or in front of camera. When I'm talking with, there is no one, so I'm just talking with in front of camera, and I'm see my level, what am I going to speak, or what the level, what's the actual improvement am I actually. So it also based on yourself, you can also speak in front of camera that actually give you more energy, more courage to speak with. And when you see, when you will understand that your speaking level is improving, that gives you pleasure, that's actually also push you to speak with different person on improvement your English speaking. Okay, if I say then what can you do? Okay, so when you have talk to yourself. Second is talking with different situation when your level is improvement, when your level is increase. So what can you do? You can record your videos, your voice in your phone. Okay, when you record your voice, your videos, you will actually see your improvement daily. Okay, so when you see your improvement daily, or your improvement is going on and it's improving day by day, you will actually get the benefit, or get your courage to improvement, to speak with different person. You will confident enough to speak with someone. That's, I'm confident enough, I'll talk any person. It's the matter how actually he is, or how level he is. I actually speak with him. That's actually confident that I'm well enough to speak in front of situation, any person, in front of any person I can speak. So create video or record your videos every day within 2 minutes. Not necessary to give a huge number of time, just give 1 or 2 minutes a day. Okay.